Okay, so before we solve this problem, let's try to solve what if yung square root of x, what if x, diba? So, alam nyo paano yung solve yun, diba? If x lang. So, if x lang siya, meron kang so, pag ganyan, alam natin paano i-solve yan. Diba? Ang gagawin is itong negative 8, i-transpose sa kabila. Tapos, yung 5x, i-transpose sa left. So, ganun. So, ganyan ang mangyayari dyan. And then, so 8 minus 5 is 3x equals, ano to? 3x equals 15. Divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides. So, x equals 5. Kaya lang, yeah. Now, pareha lang din ang solution actually sa if square root of x. Pareha lang din. Sige, change nga natin lahat ng yan ng square root of x. Anong mangyayari? So, let's try that. Pag square root of x, what if square root of x yan? Square root of x yan. Same pa rin. Ganyan. So, square root of x is equal to 5. So, anong number daw? Ano daw ang number na pag kunin mo yung square root niya maging 5 ang answer? Okay, how do we solve this? Para i-solve to, we just square both sides, right? Square both sides. Square. So, yan din square. So, the answer is x equals 5 times 5, 25. Which is obvious, di ba? Kasi 25, kunin mo yung square root of 25, ang result is 5. So, the answer to that is x equals 25.